Hello, my students. Today we are going to discuss selection of site for a hydropower plant. The following factor should be considered while selecting the site for hydroelectric power plant. These are the factors: availability of water, water storage, water head, accessibility of site, distance from load center, type of land of site. So we will discuss one by one. So start from availability of water. So availability of water. The most important aspect of a hydroelectric power plant is the availability of water at the site, since all other designs are based on it. Therefore, the runoff data at the proposed site must be available beforehand. It may not be possible to have runoff data at the proposed site, but data concerning the rainfall over the large catchment area is always available. Estimates should be made about average quantity of water available throughout the year, and also about the maximum and minimum quantity of water available during the year. These details are necessary to decide the capacity of the hydroelectric power plant, setting up the peak load plant such as steam, diesel or gas turbine plant, and to provide adequate spillways or gates relief during the flood periods. So this is about the availability of water. And the next point is water storage. So since there is a wide variation in rainfall during the year, therefore it is always necessary to store the water for continuous generation of power. The storage capacity can be calculated with the help of mass curve. Maximum storage should be justify the expenditure on the project. Generally, two types of storage are in use. Number one, the storage is so constructed that it can be or it can make water available for power generation of 1 year only. In this case, storage becomes full in the beginning of the year and becomes empty at the end of the year. And the second one is the storage is so constructed that water is available in sufficient quantity even during the worst dry periods. The next one is water head. So in order to generate a requisite quantity of power, it is necessary that a large quantity of water at a sufficient head should be available. An increase in effective head for a given output reduces the quantity of water required to be supplied to the turbines. And next one is accessibility of site. Accessibility of site, it means the site where hydroelectric power plant is to be constructed should be easily accessible. This is important if the electric power generated is to be utilized at or near the plant site. The site selected should have transportation facility of rail and road. Next one is distance from load center. So distance from load center, that it means it is of paramount importance that the power plant should be set up near the load center. This will reduce the cost of erection and maintenance of transmission lines. And last one is the type of the land of site. It is the more important. The land to be selected for the site should be cheap and rocky. The ideal site will be one where the dam will have largest catchment area to store the water at high head and will be economical in construction. The necessary requirement of the foundation rocks for a masonry type dam are as are some points related to the masonry type dams. The number one, the rock should be strong enough to withstand the stresses transmitted from the dam, as well as the thrust of the water when the reservoir is full. And one more point we can discuss, the rock in the foundation of the dam should be reasonably impervious, and the rock should be remain stable under all conditions. These are the main requirements of the foundation rock for masonry type dams. So this one, that means type of land for the site, is more important than the others, and these all are the selection of the site, or we can say these are the main following factors should be considered while selecting the site for hydroelectric power plant. Thank you very much.